With her pale complexion and dark hair, Simone is the perfect type for a style of makeup that has made its way from the streets to the runways. The Gothic look no longer has to do with the undead, but now presents itself glamorously with mysteriously staged eyes. Before we start, we apply a light day moisturizing cream to the skin. Now we use concealer to work on small blemishes like rings around the eyes or redness around the nose. First we dab concealer onto the problem areas, then spread it using a small sponge or our fingers. A flawless skin texture is a must for Gothic-inspired makeup. A liquid foundation applied thinly with a brush is the perfect basis. Don't forget the underside of the nose. Touch up with a small sponge. This way the foundation melts into the skin and doesn't look like a mask. Powder sets the foundation and makes it smudge-proof. First, dust the powder coarsely over the face using a large brush. Then use a smaller brush to work on the details, especially the eye area, so that the eyeshadow will stick well. A thick layer of powder is applied under the eyes to protect the foundation from falling specks of eyeshadow. Using dark brown eyeshadow, we trace the shape of the eyebrow, which makes the brow appear fuller. We begin the eye makeup rather plainly by applying a cream-coloured white eyeshadow onto the flexible lid. Beneath the eyes, we draw a thick black line using a cayal pencil. Then the edges are blended together with black eyeshadow. Now we outline the inner eyelid with black cayal. This gives the eyes a rigid, more defined look. The crease of the lid is accentuated with dark purple eyeshadow. With the same colour, we now shade the black line below the eye, especially in the middle under the iris. Blue-brown, shimmering, loose colour pigments are now applied to the entire area below the eyebrow. Blend the edges using a thicker brush. Casting a shadow underneath the iris will enshroud the eye mysteriously. Now the excess layer of powder can be brushed away again. Highly effective curved lashes complete the extravagant Gothic eye makeup, for which an eyelash curler is an indispensable accessory. The eyes appear brighter. Black mascara, generously applied, will enhance the effect. Separate lashes stuck together using a small comb. Now we repeat the procedure on the other eye. After the eyelash curler, we apply more mascara and then separate the stuck together lashes again with a comb. Finally, a delicate pink on the lips will emphasize Simone's elegant pale complexion. Simone's makeup is a mysterious game between light and shade, inspired by the Gothic style. Definitely a look that attracts attention, especially after sundown.